Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel. So as you see that today is a blizzard day. It's nothing but snow with high wind, heavy wind. So as you can see that the air is whirling up continuously and the visibility is very poor here. The government has declared a snow emergency today since it's Saturday. So it's weekend. It's a relief little, but the situation is very poor here. It's my first time just that I'm seeing this kind of blizzard in my life, and in Boston it's happening after very long time. So we just can't go out now. So I'm just starting my vlog from here. At least I wanted to show you, I wanted to share with you all what kind of blizzard it is and what the situation here is. So if possible, then we will go out later and we'll show you what the situation after this blizzard. So stay connected. Hope you will like this video. Now the wind speed is about like 50 to 60 miles per hour. That is around 100 kilometers per hour. So hope you can imagine how heavy wind this could be. We have seen this kind of situation only in movies. Now it's happening in Boston. And we got that opportunity to watch this beautiful blizzard. As you can see that all the cars are just covered by white snow. All the grounds are covered. Everything is just covered up. And according to the forecast, the snow accumulation could be like 3 to 3.5 feet. So easily you can imagine like how deep it could be, how heavy it could be. Just see here. How the ice has deposited in the window. We have never seen it before. So I'm just now opening my window and it has come here too. Oh wait, let's see.
Yeah, this has rarely happened.
Yeah, this has rarely happened, and this is because of that heavy wind.
Yeah, it's basically the wind actually moving the snow in all possible directions, and it's getting deposited everywhere.
Yeah.
And that's also the reason why, if you see carefully, that the it's not being deposited on the balcony or
on the railing.
On the railing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the
usually
tree branches also.
Yeah, usually it gets deposited on the railing,
yeah.
But because of this heavy wind, it gets deposited on window.
Yeah, it's basically gets stuck on all surfaces.
Yeah. It is not healthy anyway to stay outside. So we are deciding now to cover it up from our room as much as we can. Later we'll step out after the blizzard just clears out. So
yeah, the snowfall will continue till late night today, but the blizzard is forecasted till afternoon. So hopefully it will be more clear.
Yeah, then we'll at least try to go out and
show you what happened.
What happened?
The aftermath.
Hi.
Hi.
So we just came out.
Yeah, it's been snowing since last night 11 p.m.
Yeah.
So and it's snowing just like this constantly.
Yeah.
But the blizzard was not there last night, but it started early morning, and it's been since 10 a.m. about.
And the situation is almost same, right?
Yeah. So for like 5 and 5.5 hours. 3:30 about now. The forecast was to that it will end around 2 p.m. But it has been going on since. Never stopped. Just heavy wind blowing. Only thing that has improved is the visibility. In the morning we couldn't see anything.
Yeah, the visibility in the morning was almost zero.
Yeah, exactly.
So now it's little clear, but still the situation is almost same. But we decided to come out and just took some video.
Yeah.
People have come out and they are taking different kinds of videos and they are enjoying. So we also thought that let's go out and take some videos, take some photos, because we won't get this chance to come out during this blizzard situation.
See, that guy is trying to ski.
Yeah.
See, guy is to ski.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See that guy?
That guy over there is trying to ski.
Yeah.
If we zoom in,
Yeah. He's skiing.
He actually
see.
has his ski poles out.
Yeah.
And
Because it's very difficult to walk around in this situation. So
yeah, this is a wonderful opportunity.
yeah,
to
this
ski.
is a really wonderful situation.
Because in the park we have in front of us is basically basically it has this up and down terrain. So
See how difficult the walking is.
yeah.
See, hope you can understand easily. So now you can easily see the depth of snow is around 3 to 3.5 feet. So this is the first time in history possibly. So
In
many
Boston.
in Boston, yeah, sure. So
Like
many.
it has, usually it is, if it snows for 2-3 days, then it can happen. But this has been snowing only for 12-15 hours.
12 to 15 hours.
Yeah,
So
this
it's
is
almost,
unprecedented
yeah.
because if you see this side, so yeah, so this side particularly, the snow actually is almost 3.5 feet. I think 3 feet.
Watch your step. Just watch your step. Yeah, he's trying hard to walk, but
Like here, there is nothing. It's just snow.
yeah, it's just snow.
Wow. If you put the camera, if you pan the camera,
Hmm.
you see that there is the visibility is so low.
Yeah,
You couldn't see anything.
yeah. You cannot. You cannot see anything over there. The visibility is very, very, very poor. Complete haze. So, as Amit was saying that here is nothing, just
here.
only snow.
Only snow.
So it's about 3 to 3.5 feet deep.
Yeah. So here the snow is about, I would say, it's not yet 3 feet probably. It's about, I think, 2 feet.
2 feet.
Yeah. So in the evening, if it goes on like this, it can easily come up like this.
Yeah, sure. Many journalists have come here to cover this news because it's very beautiful. It's like spectacular.
Yeah, last night in social media, we were checking that some journalists from New York Times have come here and almost established residence for a few days in a hotel just to cover how the snowstorm.
Yeah.
And this is a very historic snowstorm in the east coast of the United States, and I think last time it happened like 5-6 years ago, but nothing like this. Like
So
this
it's-
amount of snow in a small time.
It's also happening in New York State, New York City. No, New York State, no, New York City. But
It's
the
the entire
East
eastern-
Coast,
East Coast.
but the accumulation of snow in Boston particularly is like,
Crazy.
oh my god,
Yeah,
crazy,
it's like
yeah.
Yeah, and also today morning I was reading about one meteorologist.
And we are also watching different kinds of videos.
Yeah, just to see what kind of scenario is going on in different parts of the city.
Yeah.
So this particular meteorologist, he is covering Boston's or forecasting Boston weather for more than 30 years. But he says that he has seen nothing like this. Like the prediction, 3.5 feet or 4 feet in some places.
Yeah.
It's completely unprecedented and historic. And the Boston mayor has declared snow emergency. So you can understand how serious is this.
Just
So what is going on here? The way snow has covered the ground here, it almost looks like sand dunes. So it's almost like a snow desert. So now we are slowly trying to navigate through the snow and try to reach the playground we have in front of our home. It's enormous amount of snow. See how Ishita is trying to cut through the snow.
oh my god, it's like up to my knee.
Wow.
As you clearly see, it's totally up to my knee.
Yeah.
So you can easily understand how deep the
No, it's
snow
actually
is.
over your knee.
Over your
What
knee,
I see that your
Yeah.
knees are completely covered. Wow.
I don't know where the ground is. I'm trying to get that ground so that I can avoid any
Trying to feel the ground.
yeah. So it's probably here.
Oh my god.
So easily you can understand how deep the snow is.
So it's basically wherever she has put her feet, there only I can put my feet. Otherwise,
Yeah, otherwise it's very difficult to get the idea where the ground is.
yeah.
But I am about to show you the height and the nature of the snow. It's not like a hard rock. It's like totally sand or salt.
Yeah.
These are very lightweight and these are like cotton.
Powdery.
Powder, yeah.
Very powdery.
These are like very powder. Yeah. See? fun playing with this snow.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
So let's make a snowball.
Yeah, with this texture, it's very easy to make different sculptures, snow sculpture like snowman, snowball.
Yeah, of course.
Huh.
It's perfect for snow fight.
Yeah, this particular texture of snow is perfect for making different kind of snow sculptures.
Yeah. It's perfect for snowball fight also.
Yeah. Please don't try to fight with snowballs. Then, if you want to fight with snowballs, then you need to make different kinds of balls. So you need to touch the snow with your hands. Oh my God! See the blizzard. Just see the blizzard. How hard it is. It's getting very difficult to keep our eyes open. Right?
Yeah. Let's just show the viewers what's the entire area. Yeah. This is different from the last time.
Yeah. Last time that
Like
was
3-4
only
weeks
snowfall.
ago, we also had snowstorm, but this is completely different.
Last time that was only snowfall, but today it is snowfall with heavy wind. That is blizzard.
Yeah.
So only snowfall and this blizzard are little different. This is more dangerous than snowfall.
Yeah.
Because in this kind of blizzard you have high chance of frostbite.
Yeah.
So it is
So-
not a good idea to stay out
For a long period
long
of time.
Yeah.
So we just have stepped out for a few minutes and
Just to show you people how the blizzard is here and what the situation is here. So we'll just cover up a little and we'll take some clip and then we'll go in.
Yeah.
Because it's getting very difficult to stay out.
yeah.
Just share your experience.
Yeah. So for me, it's not up to my knee yet, but
Are you really going? Oh my God! Just be careful. Just watch your step. Please, you don't know what's in there. Just be careful. Just be careful.
yeah, I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's slowly. We have to go back.
Yeah.
I think
So we'll take
increasing.
some photos here and we'll go back.
Yeah, it's increasing also.
Yeah, it's increasing and it will continue up to I think today evening.
Yeah.
Just see this dog. Yeah, he's also out to enjoy this blizzard because it's very difficult to keep them in all day.
At least once a day you have to take them out.
Yeah, at least once a day. Yeah, you have to take them
Yeah,
out.
see how the dog is trying to cut through the snow.
Yeah.
It's practically digging through the snow. Yeah. Looks great.
Yeah, like he has got like crazy and he's also enjoying. See this dog. See this dog. See. So everyone is out with their dog. So this is how Boston is celebrating blizzard today. It's historic blizzard. So visibility is also getting low. The blizzard is also getting higher. So we are also trying to go in so that we can keep ourselves safe from frostbite or any kind of problem. So let's go in. Okay.
So with this,
At least we tried to cover a little
I'll give you some vibe. that
vibe
is,
of this historic
going on
blizzard.
today. Yeah, blizzard vibes.
Blizzard vibes. So hope
So-
you enjoyed.
Yeah, please let us know by commenting how you really like this blizzard vibes and
How you felt?
how you enjoyed the video.
What are you thinking that how cold it could be?
Yeah, of course. Snow
How-
is getting inside my mouth, so
Yeah,
sorry
and
for
you can
interruption.
see the accumulation over my hat.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Yeah, see. No, it's already hard. Yeah, it's already hard. So it's difficult to like doing this. So yeah, that's it for today. So see, this wind, the snow,
Yeah.
and everything.
So me and Ishita ended this video with this and signing off from Boston Blizzard. Have a
It's
nice
getting
day.
difficult to keep our eyes, keep our mouth open.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, please
and comment
subscribe this channel
how you
for
like the video.
and please subscribe this channel for more this kind of interesting videos, this kind of
We'll always try to bring this kind of events.
natural events, better to say.
Of course.
Natural events. So please do subscribe for more this kind of videos, this kind of contents, and comment below how you liked it. So please don't forget to write comment. We really enjoy reading your comment. So please do that and stay with us. So that's it for today. We will see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.